So this is the Kelant D-200 LCD 3D printer. It's the upgraded model of the D-100 that was very successful. So let's start and open up the box so we can unpack this one, and in the meantime I will tell you some of the detailing of this new model. As you can see, it has the same iconic green top cover that is called like the curver top by the photonsters. So here you see it like it's still in the foam to protect. It came to me like in 2 days and from Germany, so that was really fast. And it looks like, because it's packed well, it has no damage whatsoever. So yeah, let's see, it is not 12 volts like the D100, but it's a 24 volt system. So that by itself is a very nice upgrade. So let's start by taking the top off. It has the goodies inside. I will put them in front of the printer so you can see. This is the resin, that's a metal scraper, that's the power cord, that's the manual, and that's the build plate. And here we have the cutter and of course the power adapter. So I will take this all away so we have some room to give you a better view of the printer itself. So let's take a better look and a closer look at the upgrades of this new D200. So I will put it a bit closer to the camera so we can see one of the most important upgrade, and that's the double rail, like here, for the Z-axis. So this Z-axis is like really sturdy, so that's much better. Also a great upgrade, I think, is the air purifying filter. So people that are like allergic or can't handle the smell of the resin, hey, it's filtered now, so that's a great step by Kelant. Also a very great upgrade, of course, are the two little knobs here, because the D100 had bigger knobs, and sometimes if the build plate lowered, it could hang on the knobs and the motor kept turning, so that's not good. So that's a really good thought of them. So let's put it on like that with the switch on the back. So you see it boots up like almost immediately, and the menu is there, so it has a much faster boot up sequence than the old D100. So let's put the Z-axis a bit higher so we can put the build plate on it, so like that. And immediately I notice the touchscreen is incredibly sensitive and fast reacting, you see. So that's very good, because at the old D100 sometimes you had to press a couple of times before it reacted. So this is much quicker. So let's put the build plate on like that, and here it is like that. Very nice to look at, the black body with the engraved Kelant logo, red top and bottom. It's just real stunning looks. So let's put the build plate away and let's have a better look at the greatest upgrade, and that's the LCD screen. This LCD screen is industrial graded, so that's not like a commercially graded LCD that was in the D100. So that's a big upgrade. So this industrial grade LCD screen is so much more longer lasting. This one has a much longer lifespan, so you can print like months and months and months, and you don't have to replace it. This LCD screen has a resolution of full HD, so that means it's 1920 by 1080 pixel. And some people has said on the Facebook page that the old one had a 2K screen, and that's true. The D100 had 2560 by 1440 pixel, so technically that's indeed a 2K screen, but that was a commercially graded LCD. This is industrially graded, so I think the resolution of the printed object will be the same. Probably it will be better with this one because there's a 28 LED array in the machine, so it has much more powerful output, and that's why it uses 120 watts instead of the 70 watts that the D100 used. So the bigger light output, the better cone of light, the industrial grade LCD together with the very precise Z-axis, I think will make a better resolution possible than the D100. But to get that question out of the way, I'm thinking of printing side by side. So let's print an object on the D200 and the D100 at the same time, and then let's compare the results. So that will be my next video that I will play soon on this Facebook page. For now, this was my unpacking video. I hope you liked it. I hope I answered some questions you might had. So I thank you very much for looking at my video, and I hope to see you again on the next video when we will print with both models at the same time. Until then, thank you very much. Have a good evening.